Guys, today I'm going to open this Pencil Sharpener Pro. I just need it because I can sharpen my pencils really quickly then. And it's really hard to use regular sharpener. Okay, I opened it. It looks like there's an egg carton thing. Keep it here. There's a user manual. And then there's and you can get the sharpenings from here. So I'm going to untie it and then I'm going to plug it in and see how it works. And I got a plug here. I think it's good. And now I'm going to use a pencil on it. And it's really nice. Look at the sharpening. I'm going to use this on some paper and see how it works. It's really nice. Good. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye. Yeah, so let me turn it. And this is pretty good. I really like this pencil. I think this one. I don't know. Maybe I should try this one. I'm going to sharpen all of these pencils, and I don't really have anything else to do, so I'm going to do it. So you just see which hole fits the pencil and turn it to the bottom, and then you can sharpen it. So I think this one will fit. And very sharpened. This one. It'll do it by itself, I guess. I think I want to sharpen this a little bit more.